Changing your profile picture on Apple TV Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Open Apple TV app. Launch the Apple TV app on your device. Make sure you are signed into your Apple ID that is linked to your Apple TV Plus account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Go to the Accounts section. You can usually find this by selecting your profile icon or name, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select your profile. In the Account Settings, find and select the profile you want to change the picture for. This will take you to the Profile Management options. Step 4. Change Profile Picture. Look for the option to change or edit your profile picture. You may be prompted to choose from a selection of images or upload a new one from your device. Step 5. Save Changes. After selecting or uploading your desired picture, make sure to save your changes. This will update your profile picture across all devices linked to your Apple TV Plus account. Once you have completed these steps, your new profile picture will be set. Enjoy your personalized viewing experience.